Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell also. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. This video is me doing a 14 days challenge, the Cloves and Rosemary challenge for 14 days, and this is day 1. As you can see, my braids or my cornrows rather are freshly done. And if you want to know how I did this spray, I'm going to be dropping the link below my description box, so you can just click on the link and you would see how I prepared my cloves and rosemary spray. So this is me spraying my hair on day 1. Make sure you spray it evenly and massage as well. So cloves is an amazing hair ingredient. It helps to grow your hair beautifully. Like, it is so good for growing your hair. If you're yet to try cloves for your hair growth or on your hair, maybe you've been having doubts that you don't know if it works or not, trust me, cloves works for your hair. It is going to help you grow your hair massively, like the way you're not going to expect. So just give cloves a trial if you've not before, and believe me, you're going to like it. So the benefits of cloves are: it promotes hair growth, it repairs your hair, it strengthens your hair also, and it also gives your hair a healthy shine. Rosemary leaves, it helps to stop hair loss, it stimulates hair growth, it promotes blood circulation in scalp. You see, these 2 ingredients are very good for your hair growth. Like, it is a must in. Please help me like my video if you have watched to this very point. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Please hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my video from the very first day that I started this channel. God bless you. Please, if you're a new subscriber, like I said, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. You can drop a video suggestion in my comment section. Tell me the herbs you want me to try on my hair, and I promise I'm going to be giving you my honest review on them. I've tried cloves before. I actually did it for 14 days. You can check my video in check out the video. I'll be dropping it in the description box, so you can check it out and you'll see how it worked as well the first time I tried it on my hair. So this time I decided to try it with rosemary. And for those that say that cloves leaves their hair dry, trust me, when I used this rosemary and cloves on my hair, it did not leave my hair dry. You can go in with any oil of your choice after spraying this hairspray on your hair, but when I was applying or spraying the hairspray on my hair, I noticed that it did not make my hair dry afterwards. So in case cloves dries your hair, don't forget to go in with some oils. You can go in with castor oil, you can go in with coconut oil, just to keep your hair moisturized and avoid it from breaking whenever you want to take down your cornrows. So guys, as you can see, from day 1 to day 8, you already see the amount of growth that I have on my hair, and trust me, it will get to a point, it will get tiring, but you just need to keep going, because you want your hair to grow, you want your natural hair to grow. So you just need to keep pushing. Day 8 already, and you can see the growth that I got, and I was happy that I did this challenge for my hair, because the last time I made my hair, I had some breakage that it made me sad. So I wanted to get it back, and that's the reason why I decided to do this challenge. And trust me, it gave me a positive result. And please guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and give this challenge a trial. You still have the end of this year to try it out, and give me a feedback when you do. So guys, I had fun trying this challenge, and it was really encouraging, because I saw the growth myself. As you can see, the growth was so good. And yeah, if you noticed, I ran out of the cloves and the rosemary spray, so I had to just prepare a little so that it will take me to the rest of the 3 days remaining. You can see the growth that I already have. Man, if you've not tried cloves, or you've not added cloves to your hair growth regimen, please try cloves and rosemary. These 2 herbs will help you grow your hair beautifully. They will help you grow your hair without regrets. Okay guys, so I know I did not show you guys the video of when I took down my cornrows, but if you want to take down your cornrows, please make sure you spray some water on your hair to avoid having lots of breakage, because it's going to help you. In my next video, I might show you guys how to take down cornrows, but if I do not, I'll be showing you guys someday how to take down cornrows, to the right way to take down your cornrows to avoid loss of hair. And after I was done with this challenge, I used my shampoo, my coffee shampoo that I made. I'll also be leaving that in my description box. I'll be leaving a link of the video in my description box. So that's the shampoo that I used to wash my hair, and conditioner of my choice as well. Remember guys, that I say hair growth is a process, and it takes consistency and patience for your hair to grow to that length you want to achieve. So you just need to be patient with whatever hair you're using, or whatever routine you're using to grow your hair. And always remember that your hair journey is different from another person's hair journey. So guys, I had to turn off the audio here, because the background noise was just too much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the challenge and the process which I showed you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell beside the subscription button. Click on all to enable you to get notified in all the videos that I will be posting. And don't forget to like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. And always remember that your hair journey is different from others. patience and consistency is key. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.